Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on TECLAST T60. Go to settings, then go to apps. They are here. See all apps, and now choose an app of which you want to change their permissions. Click on permissions, and now you can see what's allowed and what's not allowed. You can see that no permissions are denied. Let's, for example, deny contacts. Then we can go back here and let's disallow location, and now you can see that these are allowed and these are not allowed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.